Right. If there's any spirits here that want to communicate with us, we've got lots of equipment around. So we've got
Thank you.
the REM pod, we've got the torch has just gone off. We've got the EMF reader, which you've already made go off, so that's amazing. We've also got some cat balls, so you can touch the cat balls and make them go off. And also we've got a teddy bear around the corner. So when we were here last time, the voice box said infant after we put the teddy bear down. So if there is an infant here or someone with an infant, that's also there. So please feel free to play with that, push that off, whatever you want to do. But already we're getting some activity. So we've had the EMF reader go off, we've had the REM pod go off, so we've reset that. And the torch has gone off down there. So this is amazing already. And it's just gone off. So that shows that it's working. So we're here at the grave of Florence Nightingale. We are here with nothing but respect, and we just want to communicate with any spirits that are here. So if there's any spirits there that want to communicate with us, let us know that you're there. Oh, it's just gone off again, Si, when I asked.
Thank you.
That's amazing, thank you.
Can you set the spirit pod off if you're here? Or a cat ball?
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's amazing. Oh, okay, thank you.
All right, show off.
That is fantastic. We've got cat balls scattered around as well, so if you can make one of those go off, we've got 3. Oh, the torch, brilliant, thank you. What about the EMF reader in the middle there?
The torch is flashing. Can you see the torch flashing?
Yeah. That's great, thank you for showing us you're there.
Can you turn the REM pod off?
You use our energy and try and turn the REM pod off. So we're very grateful, but it's also a really annoying noise. I think I'll reset it. Be really careful here not to trip over. Okay, chill out. Oh. I think there's something there then.
Yeah, the light's gone.
And the lights come back on. This is amazing. Thank you so much. That's brilliant. Can you please use your energy and make one of the cat balls go off? That would just be fantastic.
Torch is flashing. Can you turn the torch off?
Come on, use our energy. All we want to do is communicate with you. We don't mean you any harm. Tut.
Behind me.
No, I can hear it here.
Oh, I can hear it. It's over there.
I can hear it here.
I heard it over there.
Can you hear that, John?
It's like a ticking. Like a fast seconds of a clock.
Really bizarre.
I'm over here.
Try and communicate with us. We've got lots of equipment. You can use any of it.
Are you happy for us to be here?
Okay.
Is that a yes?
I hope so.
Torches watching.
That's been here for ages.
Yeah. That is amazing. So you've got some other equipment there. Try and use some of the others just so that we know you're there. If you can make the cat ball go off, that would be absolutely fantastic.
You did the other night I was here, but you'd done it before the camera was on. I got a split second of it at the start.
Did you?
Yeah. If you're not part of the Nightingale family, are you buried in this graveyard?
Okay, last time we were here, we had the word infant come through when we put the bear down. So if that spirit is here again, can you let us know?
Evelyn.
Evelyn?
Evelyn. Is that your name?
Oh, it's back. It's behind me.
It was there. I really hope that's on camera. It was here, wasn't it?
Yeah. Don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's a kind of noise that... Obviously, I know people will say it's probably an insect, but it's not a word sound I've ever heard before, and I'm nearly 40, so...
Ask what? What do you want us to ask? What do you want? What do you need?
No, and we can feel that you're around us. You need to try and find a way to
Torch.
communicate with us. Torch? Yeah.
Are you the one lighting our torch up?
Listen to this.
Can you turn the REM pod off?
Do you know what, Spirit? I'm gonna reset it and I'm gonna move it, just so that we know that there's nothing interfering with this. Okay, so I'm just gonna move it around. So I'm just coming around this way. Try not to drip too much on the grass. And I'm just gonna pop that there. Okay. Coming back off. We can see that you're lighting the torch up. That's absolutely brilliant. Can you make that noise again for us?
Noise.
Sorry.
Can you make a noise?
Am I making a noise? I did hear a noise just now behind.
It's got a different feeling tonight, hasn't it, from last week? The noise. It's there, it's moving around.
Do you hear it?
You must be able to hear that, Johnny.
It's not
Stop
there.
now.
You've had it there, I had it there. When it first came, I thought it was rabbits.
Oh, there we go.
But there's no rabbits.
This is amazing. So there's a cat ball there. I can feel the energy now, guys. So use our energy and make the cat ball go off for us. It'd just be fantastic.
Was that you making that ticking noise around us?
It did say noise, didn't it?
No, that's man when you are.
Yeah, I know, yeah. We said noise and torch, so that's in context, which is good. It's not just spurting out random.
She's here.
Who's here?
Okay, I haven't got a phone or anything on me, so it's all in my bag over there. So
Who's here? Are you talking about Michelle because she's over there?
noise.
It's over there.
No, it's right behind me. It's right behind me. I don't know what you're hearing.
I heard it over there. It's messing with us.
Keep walking.
You should keep walking.
Okay.
Keep walking.
I will.
The gate's over there.
Okay, yeah. Fuck off home.
Can you reset the box?
You want me to reset the box? Keep walking. I'm just going to pick up the EMF reader, take that round with me and see if it picks anything up. Like I said, I haven't got a
Holly.
phone or anything on me that could make this go off, so...
Holly.
Who's Holly?
Okay, I've got some lights flashing here
I mean, lights flashing.
on this.
Oh.
Here.
What? In the corner?
Can you see?
Yeah, and the torch just got brighter.
Yeah, the torch is going brighter.
Okay, that's fantastic.
Ghost.
Ghost. Is there a ghost? Is that what it is? So right there, not far from me, where you are, there's a cat ball. All you've got to do is touch it and it will go off.
Don't you?
What?
Fart.
Johnny,
You
where's
were
Fart?
heard.
You were heard.
You were Johnny, your ass.
I think you meant you're a turd.
If there is Florence around, can you give him something for his win? So if Florence is there, can you communicate with us? Because we've done some research and we know that you were an absolute pioneer and an inspiration. You went against all social norms to...
I'm sorry.
Oh, don't be sorry. Got absolutely nothing but respect. Bit of a rebel, that's what I like.
Go.
Oh. Bit rude. I was being nice.
So I can put a cat ball in the door.
I think we can move over there in a bit anyway.
We'll leave this here, take some over there, leave all that here.
Got some lights going off here now.
Where?
Here. You see? Well, so we know you're around us. Just got to try and really use our energy to show us a little bit more. Got the teddy bear there that you can play with that. You can push it. You can do what you want with it. Got some good readings here. So, oh, it's gone.
Recognize.
Okay. What, you recognise us from the other night? You're able to make that noise again, the clicking noise. Do it so Johnny can hear it. Oh. Put a high one side.
Open that torch.
Ezekiel.
Ezekiel?
I'm pretty sure that name came up the other day.
What, here?
Yeah.
Who's Ezekiel?
Keep looking around looking at the names and one comes up.
Just going mad over here now.
We were executed.
I was hung. We were executed.
Well, this is maximum. I've never seen it do that. Come on then, if you're there, make some activity for us. I know you like that torch, but there's other things there.
We like to be left alone.
Do you want us to leave you alone? You need to tell us.
Can you make the REM pod go off again for us? I can hear it again. This is going crazy.
Party.
Right there now.
Yeah.
That was really loud. It's right
Yeah.
here.
Right there.
It's playing with us.
Huh?
I think it's messing us around.
What's that?
The noise.
Nancy.
Noise.
What's over there?
Pardon?
Where the torch was.
No, here. I don't know what you're hearing. I'm hearing it right here.
What are you actually hearing?
It's like, I don't know, it's odd. I've never heard anything like it before.
For me, it sounds like there's a rabbit gnawing on grass.
That kind of, yeah, almost, yeah.
Or a little hamster chewing on.
It's like the closest I can describe it as, yeah.
But then we put the torch around us and all around us.
Literally isn't
And there's
anything
literally...
there, okay?
What, it went off? Is that you playing with us, making a noise? Can you do it again?
Yeah, it's like little girls talking to each other.
I heard it over there,
Yeah.
and then
It's like little girls playing or something. This is going mental.
Walk around the thing.
Mind.
Mind the grass.
did I put? You're blind.
Mine.
Oh, mind. You're playing with our mind.
The noise. That's following me.
That's moving around.
That's right next to me.
It's moving around.
That's horrible.
You can literally hear it moving around.
Oh, I've got a really horrible feeling now.
Come back this way.
You just thought.
Nish.
What?
Come back this way.
Madam.
No, go back the way you come.
It's freaking me out a bit, John.
Yeah, just go back on this one.
That noise is following me now.
Keep coming around.
Here, over there.
Come on then, if that's you making the noise, let us know. Are you following me? I feel really breathless.
There's definitely no animals around here.
Really weird.
Put it on the edge, on there. Put it on the concrete bit.
Well, here.
Yeah.
It's here. Can't be anything electrical, that would be going off. What are you doing? What's wrong?
I was 70.
What happened? What?
Then you turn around and just like, fuck off.
What's that from?
No, me.
Oh.
I heard that. What I heard was,
Oh, it's playing around.
it was that loud in my ear, right in my ear, like someone was there, go in my ear, and I bent down. Didn't mean to swear.
It's freaky, isn't it? It's like you come out and you want these things, but when they happen, it's
I'm not running though. Didn't run.
no.
I walked away from it, but didn't run.
It does feel a bit like that, doesn't it?
I got a weapon. I don't think you use it.
Feel that away.
Now put your head down to the screen. See if you get there.
It's right next to me.
I can hear it now.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Just put the light on, it stops.
Satanic.
There's no animal there. There's not that.
Is this a good spirit?
just says satanic.
Yeah. Is this an evil spirit? Can you let us know?
I'll pick it back up.
I made that sound.
Did you make that sound? Is it you? Can you tell us your name?
Can't believe you just said I made that noise.
If it was you that made that sound, can you tell us your name?
Come on then, you're making noises and following us around. Show us something else. Do something different.
You've told us you're making the noise.
Got all this equipment here that you can use.
Can you speak into one of these cameras? Can you speak into the camera that's over there?
Where am I?
That's what we're trying to find out.
Are you playing with us?
You're playing hide and seek.
That's getting loud. It's here. It's there.
They're messing with us.
What? Come on then, if you're able to make a noise, you're able to make the equipment go off. You've already done the REM pod, so do that again for us.
Pick it up and see what it does with you.
You will find things below.
I don't want to find things below.
That's right next to my ear.
What?
That ticking then, right there. Yeah,
What loud?
yeah,
Like what it was to me?
yeah. That wasn't something in the grass.
I want to hold it near there.
It goes off again, no, higher. There you go, below that. It said you'll find me below.
We'll find it below, and the lower I go down, the higher it gets.
What's that? Yeah. Sound like fighting. I don't know. Like
Charlotte.
fuck, that scared the life out of me. Charlotte, yeah.
Right, we're going to pop over by the church door with the other camera. Can you let us? Whoa,
Noise is following me.
that was loud.
My name is Ronald.
And her name said, my name is.
This is freaky to know.
So I work there.
Turn off.
My name is Ronald.
Hi, Ronald.
Are you buried here?
Noise.
Yeah. Is this Ronald that set the REM pod off? Can you turn it off if you're Ronald? Thank you.
Thanks, Ronald. Do you want to communicate with us?
Can you turn the REM pod off if it's you making ticking noises? Can you let me finish my sentences?
Are you happy for us to be here, Ronald?
Noise.
Right here. It's right here.
There.
I don't know how you can't hear it. It's right here. Huh? He's coming from over there.
It's like kids playing, but
Yeah, it sounds like kids playing.
is there houses up there?
It's like 10 o'clock at night.
Do that.
Yeah, I was over there.
Guys, I don't know if you can hear this on the live, but there's some weird noises going on here. I've heard like children playing, screeching, and the REM pod keeps going off.
Is it grave with lights on it?
Huh?
Is it grave with lights on it?
I don't know, because that's just not long come on then.
Come on, you're doing really well. Use our energy to make a cat ball go off. That's amazing. Come on then, make the cat ball go off as well. Just a little bit more energy. And push the bear off. Or the bear, push the bear off.
Have you got cameras always filming it then? Niche.
What?
That bloke says who's got cameras here.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
But can you activate them when he's not here?
I've no idea. I'd assume not if he had all those wires
And
coming
then
in.
why are the windows lit up?
Don't know.
Just two windows.
Just why are these ones? One next to it, that's in the same room.
Come on, one last push. Make.
Demon.
Okay.
We're not demon.
It's really freaking me out a bit now.
Huh? Say again.
You turn that off.
No, duck.
Mm.
Malefaction.
Come on in. Make one of the spirit. Know what they're called. Make one of the cat balls go off for us.
Ronald, if that's still you here,
Your face.
Well, the ticking stopped.
Hmm?
Ticking has stopped. Can you turn the REM pod off?
Ronald, if you're still here, can you turn the REM pod off?
If that's you by the REM pod, turn it off. Move away.
Realm.
Realm.
Bye bye.
Oh, bye bye.